How to archive items in Discord. You can archive items in Discord by using a Discord thread for conversation, which automatically archives an inactive, or by using a third party boost or a self-host tools to create a backup for your entire channel. If you want to use a Discord thread, you will not actually have to create a thread from a message. So you just need to go over to your messaging section. So here it is. And then you need to go ahead and click on the button in order to actually create a message. So here you just need to go ahead, and what you need is click on the create threads button. So here you should be able to locate it. You just need to go ahead and click that up, and after which you need to go ahead and name the threads and choose an inactive period of automatic archiving, and then click the threads icon at the top of the channel to create a new thread not linked to a specific message. And all you have to do is access the thread management area to view manually archive or delete threads. You can also find threads in the archive tab, and that is how you'll be able to archive items in threads. And that's the way you could go ahead and archive items in Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.